Alright, what's up, YouTube family? Just want to give you a public service announcement. Whatever you do, do not, I repeat, do not throw grease down your drain, down your toilet, nowhere. This is all the buildup of grease that came out the pipe. Look at that. It's like hard like a rock. It's gonna get a little graphic right here. Yes, that's what it is. I stuck a snake in there, tried to unclog it. The snake got stuck in there, and I had to remove the whole pipe. I had to dig all this up. Look at all the dirt came out. I had to lay down in here and stick my arm in there to get all the built up rock, oil, grease that was built up in there. It's the septic tank. I thought the septic tank was clogged. It was filled up at first, but it ended up being this. Right now I'm covered in all dirty, fecal water. Please, whatever you do, do not do it. Don't throw grease down your drain. This is the worst experience of my life, trying to fix this up. To pay somebody to come, a plumber, a professional, to do this, jeez, it would have been a couple of grand to do this right here. Then to make it worse, it kept raining, and the hole kept filling up with water. I had to keep pumping the water out. Lucky it stopped, it slowed down. I got the pipe, got the pieces, about to finish the job. Like I said, with all that built in, with all that in here, the pipe was no line. The hole in there was like that big. So that's why we kept getting, that's why the toilets and showers and everything kept getting clogged. But now look at, I gotta do this big ass job. Like I said, wish me luck. About to finish it up. Like I said, do not throw grease into your sink or toilet. This is gonna happen to you. It's only a matter of time.